children. Again, happy green color day to you. Yes, today is our green color day. Okay, so children, in this session, what will we study? We will study about the season. We will study about the season, and specially we will study about which season? Yes, which season it is now? Yes, it is rainy day. It's a rainy day. Okay, so today we will have a conversation. We will have a conversation about rainy season. Okay, conversation about rainy season. Okay, so it's your conversation class. Okay, yes. So children, what are the seasons? Seasons means, see, sometimes you wear sweater, sometimes you feel very hot and you wear cotton clothes, right? And sometimes you go to beach. Okay, sometimes you wear a raincoat. Why so? बोलो, कभी कभी बहुत गर्मी लगती है ना? फिर कुछ महीनों के बाद ठंडी लगती है, फिर कुछ महीनों के बाद बारिश होती है ना? So these all are the seasons. What are those? They are called as seasons, children. They are the seasons. Okay, so we have in our country, in India, we have 4 seasons. We have 4 seasons. How many? 4. Which are those? It's summer, then autumn, rainy, winter, right? We have summer. You can say, okay, we will take it in a order wise. Okay, summer, then rainy season, autumn, and winter. Okay children, so we have these 4 seasons in India. We have 4 seasons in India. बोलो मेरे साथ, which are those? Summer, rainy, autumn, winter. Okay, yes. So now today, as I told you, we are going to learn about only one season. Which is it? It's a rainy season. It's a rainy season. Yes, as we are nowadays, we are in a rainy season, है ना? अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है? Rainy season. See the kids. देखो बच्चे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes, they are enjoying in a rain. Yes, and we have learned a poem about the rain. Yes, we have learned a poem. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. पोएम लर्न की है ना ये? फिर कौन सी की है? बारिश आई छम छम छम, लेकर छाता निकले हम, पैर फिसल गया गिर गए हम, ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. यस, तो हमने ये पोएम्स पढ़ी है, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द रेनी सीजन. ओके, नाउ वी विल हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन. Okay. Now children, you know things that we see during rainy season. Rainy season में हम लोग क्या क्या देखते हैं? What do we see during rainy season? What we see? Yes, we see the clouds. Clouds देखते हैं ना आप लोग? See the clouds? See the clouds. These are the clouds. Yes, clouds में से बारिश आती है. Yes, so we see the clouds. और क्या देखते हैं हम लोग? ऐसा देखा आपने कभी स्काई में? सी नीचे देखो. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. ये वाला देखो. आपने देखा स्काई में ऐसा? यस, होता है ना कभी कभी ऐसा. इट साउंड्स अ लाउड. देयर इज अ लाउड साउंड समटाइम्स इन अ स्काई. बहुत जोर की आवाज आती है ना कभी कभी. व्हाट इज इट चिल्ड्रन? It is a thunderstorm. It is a thunderstorm. Yes, there is a lot of thunderstorm in a sky during the rainy season. So we see clouds, we see thunderstorm, and what do we see more? We see rainbow. We see colorful rainbow. See, look at this rainbow. We see the colorful rainbow during the rainy season, है ना? Rainbow 7 colored. कितने कलर्स होते हैं रेनबो में? 7. So we see the beautiful rainbow during rainy season. And what do we see? See the kids. What are they doing? बच्चे क्या करें? देखो क्या है ये सब? क्या है? पुडल्स. Yes, we see puddles during rainy season. है ना? रोड्स पे पुडल्स होते हैं ना, एंड यू लाइक टू प्ले इनटू दैट, है ना? आपको अच्छा लगता है उसमें खेलना. सो वी सी रेनबो, वी सी पुडल्स ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन. कब देखते हैं हम लोग ये सब? वी सी पुडल्स एंड रेनबो, क्लाउड्स एंड थंडरस्टॉर्म ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन. नाउ थिंग्स वी वेयर इन रेनी सीजन. हम रेनी सीजन में क्या क्या पहनते हैं? What are the things we wear or we use या हम use करते हैं during rainy season? बोलो. Yes, tell me. Yes, you come to school wearing a raincoat. पहले तो क्या पहनते हैं आप लोग स्कूल आते तो? You wear a raincoat. So which thing we use? Raincoat. Then we use gumboots. Right? We use gumboots. And yes, we use umbrella too, है ना? umbrella भी use करते हैं, है ना? during rainy season what do we use, what do we wear, क्या क्या हम लोग पहनते हैं और यूज करते हैं? read with me. It's a raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. Yes. Okay. So now next, creatures we see during rainy season. Now children, rainy season में you see some creatures, right? कुछ नए नए creatures आपको दिखते हैं जो आपको समर में या विंटर में तो नहीं दिखते हैं, बट यू सी सम creatures in a rainy season. वो आपको rainy season में दिखते हैं. Which are those? Snakes. Yes, see the snake. Which are the creatures we see? Snake. देखो, see the snake. Snake दिखते हैं ना rainy season में. When you go into the fields, you see the snakes during rainy season. And one more person. Yes, it's a frog. Jumping frog. We see frog in the rainy season. And we see the snail, है ना? snail देखिए आपने? We see the snail. Yes, it just hides into its shell, है ना? देखो ये shell है ना snail की, उसके अंदर hide करके चलता है. Yes, we see the snail. And earthworm. What do we see? earthworm दिखते हैं ना? Yes, इसे लंबे लंबे earthworms, brown colored earthworms आते हैं ना, घर में भी आ जाते हैं कभी कभी. We see them in our balcony, in our house, right? Yes, we see these creatures in the rainy season only. ये हमको सिर्फ बारिश में ही दिखते हैं, है ना? कौन से creatures है? Tell me. Which are those creatures, children? Snake, frog, snail, earthworm. Okay, so we see these creatures in a rainy season. Okay, now children, the festivals we celebrate during rainy season. Festivals we celebrate during rainy seasons. Now which are the festivals? है ना, rainy season में बहुत सारे festivals भी आते हैं ना. Yes, we enjoy दोज फेस्टिवल्स? यस, कौन से फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं? टेल मी, है ना? रिसेंटली एक फेस्टिवल गया, दैट इज अ नाग पंचमी, राइट? नाग पंचमी गया ना अभी, नाग पंचमी, यस। और अभी कौन सा फेस्टिवल आने वाला है? टेल मी। यस, इट्स अ राखी फेस्टिवल, also it is known as रक्षा बंधन, राइट? अभी आने वाला है ना रक्षा बंधन फेस्टिवल। हाँ, यस। सो रक्षाबंधन में क्या करते हैं? द सिस्टर ties a राखी ऑन द wrist ऑफ अ ब्रदर, है ना? सिस्टर क्या करती है? ties a राखी ऑन द wrist ऑफ द ब्रदर। हमने स्कूल में भी सेलिब्रेट किया था, यू रिमेम्बर? Yes, we have celebrated Rakhi in our school. Yes, okay. So, राखी आती है, रक्षाबंधन आता है, then गणेश फेस्टिवल, गणेश चतुर्थी, गणेश फेस्टिवल आता है। यस, ओके, देन यस, इट्स अ ओणम, इट्स अ ओणम। पीपल लिविंग इन साउथ इंडिया, they celebrate this festival. Yes, people living in South India celebrate this festival. So which are the festivals which are the festival falls in a rainy season, children? Nag Panchami, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh festival, then Onam, right? Okay. So yes, some more things are there. Things we like to eat. Yes. रेनी सीजन में हमको कुछ स्पेशल खाने का मन करता है ना? यस, बिकॉज देर इज अ कोल्ड आउटसाइड, बाहर बहुत कोल्ड होता है, ठंडा होता है। सो व्हाट वी लाइक टू हैव, वी लाइक टू हैव, वी सी द थिंग्स लाइक वी लाइक टू हैव अ कॉर्न, है ना? कॉर्न पसंद आता है हमको खाने के लिए। वी सी द कॉर्न, samosas, yes, we like to eat samosas, corn, spicy items, right? Soups, then pakoras, right? Soup we like to eat, we like to eat pakoras in a rainy season. Yes, mostly in a rainy season we make a pakoras, mummy makes a pakoras, right? Yes, bhajis or pakoras, yes. So we like to eat this hot items. Why? Because there is a cold outside and we often have a cup of a tea. We often have a cup of a tea during rainy season. Yes, hot cup of a tea we have often in the day, right? So these are the food items we like to eat during rainy season. Okay, children? So now we will have a conversation. Okay? Yes. Sorry. So you have I'm asking you question. You have to give me the answer. Okay? Yes. Which are the seasons in India? Which are the seasons in India? Tell me which are the seasons as I told you. Summer, autumn, winter, monsoon. Now where is the rainy season? Children, monsoon is only a rainy season. Rainy season को ही monsoon बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Okay. Summer, autumn, winter, monsoon. Okay? Remember? Understood? Okay. Now next question. Which season do you like most? कौन सा सीजन पसंद है आपको? टेल मी, कैसे बोलेंगे आप इसका आंसर? विच सीजन डू यू लाइक मोस्ट? कौन सा सीजन पसंद है? आई लाइक, कौन सा सीजन है आपको? समर पसंद है, सो यू विल राइट अ समर सीजन, है ना? समर सीजन में भी अच्छा मैंगोज आते हैं, देन वी गो टू अवर नेटिव प्लेस. यस, ओके. देन I like, if you like a winter season, You will write I like winter season. If you like autumn, you will say I like autumn season. Okay. If you like a rainy season, as I like a rainy season. Yes, teacher likes a rainy season. So how will you say I like rainy season? Okay, I like rainy season. Okay. Next, what do we use during rainy season? What do we use during rainy season? रेनी सीजन में क्या यूज करते हैं आप? बोलो, रीड विथ मी. वी यूज रेनकोट, गम boots and umbrella in rainy season. What do we use during rainy season? We use raincoat, gum boots and umbrella in rainy season. ऐसे आंसर देंगे आप लोग? Very good. Okay, next question. Which creature do we see during rainy season? Which creature do we see? Yes, which creature do we see during rainy season? Tell me, creatures कौन से दिखते हैं हमको? Yes, बोलो. Frog, earthworm, snail and snake. है ना? अभी हमने दिखाया ना आपको कौन से creatures दिखते हैं? Which creatures do we see during rainy season? Frog, earthworm, snail and snake. Okay. Next, where do the snail live? Snail कहाँ पे रहता है? Where do the snail live? You know the house of a snail? Snail lives in a shell. Children, snail जो है, it lives in its shell. देखो उसके ऊपर जो shell है ना, वो उसके अंदर ही just hide into that, and that is its house. So snail lives in a shell. Okay, so children, you have to learn this conversation. Okay, you have to learn this conversation. Okay, and enjoy your green day. Our session is over now. Enjoy your green day and send me nice pictures. Okay, bye bye. Take care.